নমস্কার, মলয় পাঠক বলছি। আমাদের অঙ্কশাস্ত্রের উপরে যে বিশ্লেষণ শুরু হয়েছে, যার ভিডিও আপনাদের কাছে অলরেডি পৌঁছেছে, কি 2022 সাল আমাদের as a whole, where the influence of the planet Venus is going to be more predominant, and that Venus which is made up by three influential number 2. So this is basically the dominance of the feminine energy. Let's understand that much better. Chandrama is feminine, Venus is feminine. These are the two feminine planets. And it is basically a combination of the feminine planets, and that is what is 2022 to us. Now, भाग्य की जो अंक वो है 6. Now, we have to make an assessment keeping in view the driver number, that is the single digit number of your date of birth. এর পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে 2006 যেখানে it is more of feminine energy in context to 1 to 9 number, how it is going to respond and how it is going to have an impact and effect on our life, এই ব্যাপারে কিন্তু আমরা আলোচনা করতে বসেছি। আমি আগে একটি কথা বলেছিলাম, it is not only your driver number on whose basis we are going to make some calculation. We are also going to look into the matter of fact about the year number. What is your year number? That is your date of birth, your month of birth and year 2021. তো তার পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে আমার এই বছরটা কেমন যাবে সেটাও কিন্তু সম্পূর্ণভাবে আমাদের বিচার করতে জানতে হবে। তো 2022 it is dominance of plenty of Venusian energy, and this Venus will talk about the women empowerment. Ladies will be holding very high positions. They will be selected in different important chairs to officiate in, and even in the area of judgment. अब बहुत सारी चीजें आपको इस साल में देखने को मिलेगा. Any industry those are associated with Venus, क्या हो सकता है? It could be dance, it could be music, it could be entertainment, it could be film industry, it could be jewelries, it could be precious stones, it could be dentistry, it could be boutiques, it could be your beauty parlor, it could be basically shape and size, different kind of body rejuvenating centers. They all are going to have a very good business, particularly for this year. Now, anybody who is born on 1st, 10, 19 and 28th of the month, they come to a driver number, we call it 1. এই মুহূর্তে আমি একটা কথা আপনাদের সবাইকে পরিষ্কার করে জানিয়ে দিই, কি 1, 10, 19 এবং 28 এই যে নাম্বারগুলি তৈরি হয়ে গেছে, এগুলো কিন্তু বিভিন্ন নাম্বারের মানে একটা সমষ্টিগত ফল। 19 is basically formed with 1 and 9. 28 is basically formed with 2 and 8. 10 is 1 with 0 and 1 is singular number 1. So all these number ones are having different attributes. That is basically little deeper into the numerology. Now when we talk in terms of number 1, the Lord is Sun himself. Sun is the big administrator. Sun एक ऐसी planet যে কখনো কারো কথা শোনে না, সে তার মতো করে রাজা, কারো অপিনিয়নকে সে গ্রাহ্য করবে না. He can listen everybody, but ultimately the decision will be his own. Now, when this is a time where the number 6 is coming out of 3 queens and ultimately coming into flamboyant Venus, in that situation, the sun has to adjust with the situation. Sun has to adjust with the situation. They should not be dictating, they should not be authoritative, they should not be over controlling. They should be rather polite and managing with the time. The people who are born on these numbers, it is better to adjust with the time. More you can adjust with the time, more you can get along with the time, much better than if you want to work the way sun works. One of the best remedy for this, I always recommend people कि संक्रांति के दिन से लेके संक्रांति के दिन तक ये जो महीना में जो सूर्य की जो रोटेशन है, जो सन साइन के जो टाइम डेट से, उसकी हिसाब से सूर्य की अगर आप गायत्री मंत्र की पाठ करें, that is probably the best remedy available. Second remedy could be that you can chant Ram Ram Rameti Rame Rame Manorame सहस्त्र नाम तत्तुल्य राम नाम वरानने. अगर आप राम नाम ले तो सूर्य के लिए सबसे बढ़िया जो है ये उपाय होता है. जानवर में अगर आप बानर को अगर गुड़ खिलाएं, एक बहुत अच्छे उपाय होते हैं. एंड प्लांट को अगर आप सेवा करना चाहे, ऑलवेज सर्व द बनियन ट्री, बिकॉज बनियन ट्री हैज ट्रिमेंडस एनर्जी विद इन इटसेल्फ. And if people, they do this remedy for minimum 43 days, I recommend for 6 months. Remedy is take some milk, take 3 times to that water and pour some gur into that. Mix it, offer to the banyan tree and pour on the stem. জল এবং দুধ মিশ্রিত গুড় চুইয়ে চুইয়ে যখন বটগাছের নিচের দিকে চলে আসবে, সেই ভেজা মাটিটা কপালে একটা তিলক করে নিন. If you do this remedy for say 5 to 6 months time, I'm telling you, sun becomes very very positive because sun की सारी एनर्जी जो है वो बनियान ट्री के अंदर जो है संग्रहित होते हैं. तो नंबर 1 के लिए ये साल जो है उतना अच्छा नहीं है, because it is absolutely male energy sun. Whereas these two, Venus and Moon, they are the feminine energy. So therefore, it is going to be dominance of the feminine energy, and masculine energy will be little less supportive, and therefore the remedy has been recommended. I hope you have liked this portion of the videos where the remedies have been recommended for number 1 people for the year 2022. I hope you all have liked it, and I will request you to subscribe our channel and forward to your friends. Press the bell icon so that the notification goes to you in the earliest. And thank you for watching. Namaskar.